We've put together a video showing the installation of the Powerflex Performance Anti-Sway Bar bushings. The installation is the same as our race bushings, but the race bushings have one additional step that we'll show you at the very end. The video is broken down into 3 parts. The first part shows how we lube it up. We include 2 types of lubrication here. The Powerflex, which is standard, and also we include this. This is a lubrication that we've been using since about 2002 on our race and street cars. Fantastic stuff. It's waterproof, rust-proof, and just sticks like you won't believe. We've been using this and we're really satisfied. We recommend it for you as well. We include this for free. The second and third part of the video shows the actual bushings installation into the carriers. This assumes that the car is jacked up and that you've removed the pans, the front and rear pans, to get access to the sway bar bushings and their carriers. Take a look, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks. The install you just saw was for our performance bushings here. You can see that they open up and they slide over the anti-roll bar. For the race bushings, it's really hard to open this up. They are denser, they are stiffer, and we've never been able to get these onto a sway bar without actually putting a little cut there. When you order them, let us know. We'll put this on a bandsaw and make that cut for you, or you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching our video.